Good morning, everyone. It is a rainy day. Can't do no walking videos, so we'll do a driving rainy day video. You can see what it's like to drive around the streets here when it's raining. I think it's supposed to rain all day. Excuse me. We are coming up now to the Red Street, aka Fields Avenue, or Red Street is what they want to start calling it now. All right, buddy, let these people go. But you can see, remember the other day, yesterday, when I was talking about to the right here, that's going to turn into a big old water puddle pond. It is, because of the lip on the road that when they asphalt it, can't drain anywhere. So now it's going to sit in there where you park. But yeah, what another challenge when it rains. Throw another challenge into the fun of driving here in the Philippines. It is what it is, right? But yeah, it called for rain all day. This area here isn't bad, but I will find an area here where I'll show you it gets bad here when it floods out and nowhere for the water to drain. Come up here and catch the peso rate. See what the peso rate is on the US dollar. Somebody asked me what are they going to do with Walking Street? As far as I know, it's still going to be Walking Street. What are they doing here? I don't know. Nothing's been put out as far as you know, the Red Street and a wholesome entertainment district. I don't know, guys. It was just put out, so time will tell. Margarita Station, that's another one to the left there. I don't know if you guys can see where that water is just pouring off the roof. You gotta watch out for that. That'll get you when you're walking this area here. It's a little bit of rain. What's the peso rate? Peso rate is 55 straight. Wow. Everybody's at 55 straight, so man, it has jumped up. I'm gonna turn down this way, go to Hensonville. Easiest way into Hensonville, guys, this way. This road here will flood out. You can see to the right, the water's backing up. Once again, what causes it? Probably litter. The drains can't drain it out enough or quick enough because there's too much garbage in the drainage systems. I know the one area down here in Hensonville, boy, it would always flood out. I don't know what it's like now because they redid the road, but we will see. Here's another thing. I didn't know this until the other day. This here, let me show you. So, I mean, I don't want to say it because, you know, YouTube's funny, but this stuff here, all right, this is my juice. My juice, all right? They say they are no longer selling flavored juice in the Philippines, a new law. I asked the guy, well, what's up with that? He said, I don't know, it's some new law here, and no longer flavored juice, but you can get, what do you say, like a menthol flavor and a tobacco flavor, but no longer flavored juice. Now, what's the reason behind that? I don't know. Is it to deter kids? You know, to get the kids off of using that product, like back in the States. But my thing is, you know, why don't you just start cracking down on the underage kids here using a tobacco product, period? Because a lot of them, all they got to do is go to sorry store. Hey, give me one stick. and these stores will sell it. But yeah, I wasn't aware of that till the other day. A couple of stores, they just completely shut down, closed their doors. But it's funny because I could still buy it on Lazada, or no, Shopee, on Shopee. So anyway, here we're coming into Hensonville. Here, I want to keep my eye out here. So I got there. All right, we can good to go. This area over this bridge used to flood out like crazy. They redid this whole entire road, and maybe they put in drainage systems. Yeah, they must have, because when you would come over this bridge here, right here, it was a pond, big old pond. So they must have cleared out and put some new drainage system in here. Oh, Hensonville. I can cover more ground in the car. So much has changed here in this area over the years. For the better. Anytime there's a change for the better, that's good. Wait, good dog. Gotta watch out for that puppy. Hey, this is nice. You know, they put the road in here and they must have cleaned out the ditches, the drainage systems. I don't mind the rain, but after it gets to the end of rainy season, I'm tired of the rain. Car wash, 130 pesos for a regular car wash, like less than $3. Philly, you're so lazy you can't even wash your own car. Yeah, for $3, I'll let somebody else wash my car. Wash my car, vacuum it out, wipe it down. Yeah, I'll let somebody else do that for me for $3. Now this street here just got repaved also. This is the street Lit and I first lived on when we got together. And the one area down here used to be terrible. Big old bumps in the road now. But as I'm looking, I can see it's a big old water puddle now. This can't flow anywhere. Whatever drainage they had going on here probably got paved over. So check it out. Here it is. A little puddle. All right. Got to deal with it. You just got to deal with people's driving, just a whole flow of traffic here. Swedish massage, free ear candle, 300 pesos, $6. I can find them cheaper. Thing you always got to watch is just people walking and people on bicycles. Those are the key ones that I always look out for, because man, they'll walk in front of you, they'll cut their bike right in front of you. It's crazy. coming up on Robinson Mall to your left, right by the bridge. Rain does not stop people here. They're not running and hiding in their house. They'll walk, they'll ride motorbikes, they'll ride trikes, they'll ride jeepneys, break out the umbrella. Like right there's a tire in the middle of the road. We're off to the right of the road. You gotta watch out for that. There's Robinson's to the left. Parking garage. Trike line. Gonna make a right here. Go under MacArthur. All right, here we go again. Gotta stop at the bank quick. Gonna make a right down here at Don Hueco. Don't want to run anybody over. Don Hueco. This road here sometimes will get flooded bad. Down here at this one end. There's the ambulance. Guys, I have a story too I want to tell you. You know, some people ask me, how's Anna? Where's Anna been? The other day, I see Anna here and there. You guys know I like to eat breakfast up at Tequila Reef. Well, Tequila Reef evidently has a new manager that just came in, and one of her things she said is she don't want, you know, these people standing outside Tequila Reef along the rail there, you know, like beggars or people like that. She don't want that no more. The security guards are supposed to run them off, which they always do. Well, evidently Anna was there. Security guard went up to her and told her, hey, you know, can't be hanging out here no more. You can't be hanging out. And I guess she turned around. I just missed it. My buddy Cowboy was telling me about it. I just missed it. She got mad at him and attacked him. And I'm like, what? They're like, yeah, she attacked a security guard. So it's like, that's not cool, you know? That ain't cool at all. So now it's like, you know, I'm not even gonna entertain her anymore. When you do things like that, you know, and I know that security guard, nice guy. It's like, why, you know, is there something in your brain? Why did you do that? You know, but yeah, she attacked him. So it's like, I'm not going to entertain her no more. That's just me, guys. Look at this here on the left. That's really flooding out. This back up here on this road, I don't know when I get down there. But they put this new restaurant in down here on the right hand side further down the road. Very popular for the Filipinos. It's like an unlimited all-you-can-eat type thing, but it's right on this main road, and the traffic gets backed up because people want to park there, and their parking area is terrible. And people want to, instead of pulling in, they want to back in. Then when they leave, they got to back out. It's a mess. It's a complete mess, and it backs up this road in either direction. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. But we shall sit in the line. I'm at one bar on my gas tank, so I gotta stop and get a couple liters of fuel, and it won't even budge my gas tank. Guys, I just turned off that road down Waco because I know it's backed up from that restaurant. That's crazy. A little bit of water sitting through here. I'm not going to even waste my... I'll sit in that traffic there for 10-15 minutes. And why sit when I know other ways to get to going where I got to go? Fuel, where is it at? I don't see it. Looking for a price. That's back there. Everybody else is smart. They're like, yeah, let me get this side road. I know this isn't a thrilling, entertaining video. This is rainy season, guys. This is what it looks like when it rains. This is what the streets look like. Bump right here. Like I just want memorized. Boom, boom. What is that in front of me? A jelly. G-E-E-G-E-E-L-Y. A jelly. I don't know what kind of car that is. As you won't see, and maybe somebody can correct me if I'm wrong, you don't see electric cars here. First of all, they have such a problem with the electric power grid here. And they're going to incorporate into the system electric cars here. Not happening. You'd have over half your cars sitting because it couldn't get to the electric charging station to charge their car. And if they did, when they would get there, sorry sir, brown out, we have no power. Looks like everybody else got the same idea as I do. Going down this back side road here. See, you got this trike here on the left hand side, just stopped in the middle of the road, backing up the traffic. Don't know if he has a problem with his trike running or not, but get it off the road so people can get around you. Alright, so gas is 79.50 for Volt. Thunder is 79.90 per liter. DC Vec Vi, I think that's diesel. 83.60 per liter. So there it is. Do the math, figure it out. 55 pesos on $1 US. I'll put it down below. So, alright guys, that's it. I mean, can't walk. I guess I could if I had an umbrella. But that's rainy season now. So, and I got 1,000 pesos and it brought me up 3 bars. So, alright guys, that's it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, buddy. Time to go home and edit the video and take a nap.